Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna be opening this EPAUTO drive socket set. It's I trust this brand. I've bought a couple of things before from them, the engine filters, the cabin filters for multiple cars, and so far no disappointment. You can get this stuff over Amazon. So let's see what are the contents of this socket set. I mean, it has everything I think you need for any work you need to do under your car, in the house, any DIY projects you have, you know, your deck, your patio, your garage, everything. So hopefully it has everything I need. Mostly I work on my car, so I think it does have everything I need. And yes, so here it is. As you can see, it has the 2 wrench sets. It also has this is an extension bar, and you have these sockets. I mean, it's from size 4 all the way to 19, even higher. I think this is more than what you would want. Probably most of them I might end up never using them, but for my work under the car, this is one of the most important things. The different sizes, that's a good plus. I would use this for tight spots, and this for anything that's accessible. All these socket sizes, this is just it's for someone who's into DIYs, this is just a really nice set. So I'll share the link in the description of this socket set. You can get one for yourself. I think it has everything. The only thing you don't have from this is just the drill, which of course doesn't come with it. And yeah, so anything manual, I mean, it's an all-purpose. So and you can see it's not a big box or big case. So I mean, you can go with it anywhere. You can have it in your car, you can carry it. It's not heavy. You can take it wherever you want. You can store it easily. So it's a nice one. You know, it comes highly recommended. I've seen many people into projects using it, so I know for a fact I won't be disappointed. It does look corrosion free or rust free, so if you want to get one, I mean, when you watch my videos from now, I'll be using this almost every single time whenever I'm walking under the car. So yep, thank you for tuning in, and as always, watch the previous videos, tune in for videos that are coming up. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and thank you for tuning in.